Hey friends, it's me Sakshi and you're watching Sakshi 11. So welcome back to my channel. So you can see today I'm wearing a cotton sari. Cotton sari, it's a little different kind of stuff. It's not a regular sari. So you may have come to know that today I'm going to share with you how to wear a cotton sari. So first of all, I would like to give you some suggestion about the cotton sari draping. The first one is you should press your sari before sari draping because the crushed sari doesn't look good seriously. Actually, cotton sari got crushed so easily. That's why I think you should press first. And the second one is you should pin up your sari properly. And the third one, you should have patience because guys, cotton sari draping takes a little time. So before starting the video, I request who have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel first and don't forget to press bell button, and let's get started.